Hello children, welcome to the class. Good afternoon to all. Okay, and I am Suman Bharadwaj, your economics teacher, and we will start third chapter of statics of statics, that is census and sample methods of collection of data. Census means beta, if we are studying about the population of any country, and sample means from the whole we take out one piece. From the whole population we take out the data of individual person. That is your sample methods of collection of data. Now listen with the examples, we will clearly. Census means the record maintained. Census means the record maintained of population. In Hindi we say Jangarna. You know very well. With the examples we'll study it. Okay. Now there are 2,000 students in a college. Okay. 2,000 students in a college means the total record. Your total record of college. Right? So this is the census study. Right? Your census method of collecting the data. This is the record of one college. An investigator wants to collect a data regarding their family background. Investigators means one who do the investigation. जांच पड़ताल करने वाला व्यक्ति, the person who investigates and collects the data regarding their families. Okay. Beta, if you don't understand, you can take the screenshots which we are providing you in the video. PPT or family background. He has two possible choices. Okay. First, he collects information related to the 2,000 students. Okay. First time collects information from the 2,000 students. Second, he collects information relating to all of some students. That is your sample method. Your total students 2,000. Right? This is the census. And if someone collect information out of 2,000 students, suppose this is the information taken from the 100 students. This is the sample study, right? Who represents 2,000 in statistics? The first approach of collection of data is the census method. Census method means the record of population, and the here census is 2,000 students, and your sample which I took is your 100. 2,000 में से 100 लिए गए हैं, तो 2,000 is your census and 100 is your sample. Okay, the example which we choose. And the second approach is called your sample method. Now I hope you understand the difference between the sample and your sample method. The present chapter focus on the comprehensive study of the census means population. Samples means out of total population few have selected. to collect the information. Beginning with the concept of sensors and sample techniques, the chapter offers a detailed discussion of merits and demerits of techniques. Okay, before studying this, two types of techniques they have used. Also, various techniques of samples are discussed with a comparative look at the merits and the demerits. First, you understand about census means total population. Okay, and your sample means out of total population, information collected from few people. Few people is your sample. I hope you are understanding better. You can choose other figure also. Next, concepts of census and sample. One examples we have chosen. Okay, current example we can take the example of COVID-19. Okay, this is also the current example of your census and your sample. Okay, if we choose the COVID-19 means how many persons are, if we'll make the record of COVID-19, that is your how many persons suffers from your total patient of COVID, your total population of COVID is in 50,000. 50,000. Okay, when we are talking about the country. Okay, now the sample of 50,000 will take only 1,000. 1,000 is your sample study and 50,000 is your census method. This now listen. In statics, universe means whole world. Universe means when we are talking about the world, WORLD, simply refers to the aggregate of items to be studied by the investigation. Means the study of world is done by the investigators and he collects the information of India plus foreign countries. Right here abroad, that is your universe. Ordinarily, the term population used to mean total number of people living in a country. Population of India was approximately, which I have told you, population of 1 to 1.2 crores and the year record is given here. इस साल के अंदर इतनी जनसंख्या थी, इसका मतलब ये है. But in statics, the term population is used different. But in statics, the population term is used differently. अलग तरीके से कैसे समझाया गया हम समझाते हैं आपको. We have taken an example of census and your sample. In statics, the term populations means aggregate. Aggregate means total. Aggregate means total of all the items about which we want to obtain information. We want to obtain information. Illustrate means example. Illustration means example, right? There are 2,000 students in a particular college. If investigators relates to 2,000 students, then 2,000 would be as a universe. Okay, we are studying about the whole. Okay, this is your total. If investigator relates to all the students, then 2,000 will be taken as a universe. Okay, दिस यूनिवर्स पॉपुलेशन, जब हम पूरे की बात करेंगे तो यूनिवर्स रहेगा, जब पूरे में से कुछ पोर्शन का स्टडी करेंगे तो वो सैंपल रहेगा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर लाइक दिस. ईच यूनिट of these 2000 is called items. Okay, each unit means your 2000 students per year, per students each item. So further illustrate, sugar mill, out of 10 sugar mills we are studying about called an item. When we are talking about the 10 sugar mills, so what does it? This is the total. Okay, this is your total. Total means aggregate. Total means aggregate. In other words, we say complete. COM I have written, remaining you understand. All the 10 sugar mills would be constitutes population of the universal. Okay, जब हम पूरे की बात करेंगे, when we are talking about complete, it is your universe. Okay, in statistical inquiry, it is based on the items of the universe. It is called a census inquiry. Okay, when we are talking about all the 10 sugar mills, it is the census studies. For example, if we want to know the quality of life of 25,000 household in your town, and you decide to collect the relevant statistical data of 25,000 household, then it is collect the relevant, it is collect your statistical inquiry is covering all the items of the universe. Okay, when we are collecting the information from the 25,000 household, it is the universe. When we talk about complete, it is your universe. You are relying on census method of your statistical. This is, if we are talking about 25,000, this is the universe. Universe means your census. Now alternate का मतलब क्या होता है? Alternate means we use other thing in place of that. We can take the example of in economics terms, if we are using pen or pen. Okay, if we are using pen and pencil, pen and your pencil, okay, out of two we choose one, that is the alternate. ओके, दो अवेलेबल हैं, दो में से एक को चूज करना है. दिस इज द ऑल्टरनेट. नाउ यू आर कवरिंग द ईच एंड एवरी आइटम ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. इंस्टीड आर कवरिंग अ सैंपल ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. इफ वी आर सेइंग दैट आउट ऑफ 25,000 okay household, we make the record of 3,000 only. So this is sample and this is your census, right? Characteristics or samples are supposed of character entire universe or quality of life of samples, say 2,500 families is supposed to represent quality of life. Okay, we have chosen 3,000 here. The example is given 2,500. Okay, this is called the sample study. Okay, is the alternate of this is we can choose the wheat also, your grams also. Okay, the sample and the population are projected figure. Bigger part of this picture is comprising the entire 27th item showing population or universe, and corresponding part of 3 items shows example. Now see, this is the figure. Okay, by this figure we can understand. Okay, this is the population. This is the population, beta. Populations means study of whole population of a country. Okay, out of this 27 items. 27 items means 27 items. 27 items means we make the record. This is the population. Okay, populations means here man is involved, woman is involved, children are involved, old person, young persons. The record of all these is maintained. But out of total population, your total out of, you can take the beta screenshots for understanding the concepts of census and your census method and your census method and your sample method. Okay, the book figure we have choose. You can take the example of pulses and gram. Okay, I have given you. Okay, now I will ask 2 questions. Now I will ask 2 questions from this, and which I am giving you for the home assignments. Please, 2 questions which I want answer of these 2 questions you will give in the class tomorrow. Okay, first, what do you understand by sample method? First question with example. And second question, what do you understand by sample method with example? Hint I am providing you. You can choose pulses and gram. Okay, answer already I have told you. Okay, only pulses and gram you will use, not you can use the population figure also. You can use population figure also. Now we'll do the short revision in this. Okay, short revision. Okay, population census. Okay, what is census? Census means total population. Total population, right? Study of total population or record of total population is maintained. That is your census study. You can frame other sentences also. Use the book language also and your own simple language also. Now sample method. Sample method. In sample method means out of total. Okay, suppose your total is 100 and we collect information from out of 100 70. Okay, your if information is collected from the 70 people out of 100, so this is the sample, right? This we have studied. Now listen this example beta. This example 100. In 100, if we are taking about study of individuals, your individual, one is one dash 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 is equals to your 100. If each person is the item, what? Each person is the item. Don't take items in other words, okay? Don't take items in the other words like movies, okay? Right, so homework I have assigned you. Tomorrow I want homework in the notebooks. Okay, and please see my videos if you face any query. If you face any query, you can ask in the regular class. Okay, beta. Regarding the importance of statics also and the limitation of statics also, and your census method, sample method, and your item. Okay, short review we will do. Okay, now see here. Now you must be sure that sample is only a part of population. Okay, part of population, how we can say? Out of 100, only 7 record of 70 is maintained. That is your, this is your census and this is your sample, and 1 plus 1 plus this is equals to 100. This is your item, ITEM. Okay. Item means study of individual. Study of individual. Study of individual. I hope you understand. I have used very simple language so that our students will understand the concept. Keep watching my videos which I am making for you continuously. Don't skip watching. Without if you will not watch and understand, you will, if you need any kind of support from me, please ask. Okay, I am ready to help you, cooperate you. Thank you.